Lahat kasi na-interview ka na.
is facing
Ikaw
right
na lang.
now.
How do you feel about that
So much
performance?
issues, so much hatred,
First performance, no?
exclusivity, especially with the social media.
Pero,
So for the top
grabe.
3, like, I mean,
Yung
there's
kaba?
no easy way to solve
Kahapon
any
wala
problem
eh, hanggang kanina.
to start with.
Pero nung umakit ako ng
really no
stage,
easy way to solve any
yung
problem.
kamay ko,
But
ganyan,
if you're going to ask me
gumaganyan, no?
things
Tapos,
that a transgender
makakalimutan mo
or
yung
trans
chords,
woman
pre.
can solve,
Iba.
number 1,
Pero,
acceptance.
good experience.
Message mo sa
Because
band.
Ang ganda.
I believe
Ang ganda ng ano,
our
mga effort.
sisters,
Salamat at
my
saludo ko sa
sisters,
inyo.
have
Sa
the big
banda.
heart to
Lalo kay
accept
Paring G.
everyone. So if we accept everyone,
Saludo ko sa
love, which
sa
is
buong
number
banda.
2,
Kasi
will
all
follow.
throughout,
And if you love everyone, and if you
Gagawin
accept
ulit yung
everyone,
first time. Gusto
of
mo
course,
makasama ulit ang picture.
peace,
oh,
inequality
anytime, anywhere.
will go
Anytime,
on.
anywhere.
And that's,
Kaya next
we
year,
are all looking
abangan nyo
for,
kami ulit.
for equality.
Babawi kami.
And I
Welcome back
think
strong, bro.
Message mo sa
transgender
misis
and
mo.
trans women
Salamat sa suporta,
have
B.
this strength, have
Salamat
this
sa
power
suporta.
to make all those things
B.
possible. Thank you so much. I love you all.
Thank you so much,
Anyway,
Very
salamat,
well said.
salamat.
Now
Salamat
you
sa
can
experience at
go
saka
back and relax at the
na-break namin yung first
backstage.
barrier ng kaba. Kaya
Wow.
next time babawi kami.
Okay, candidate number 5.